For us in the small islands of the Eastern Caribbean, climate change is a clear and real threat.
The 11 member states of the OECS depend on the region's biological resources and ecosystems for their economic and social well-being.
On est un peu dans une dynamique où on pense qu'on a le temps, c'est dans le futur. Le problème, c'est que c'est maintenant, si on veut que dans 20 ans ou dans 30 ans, on ait des résultats très concrets.
If we can ensure that our natural systems are functioning at their best, then we will be in a position where they are coping better with the challenges posed by climate change.
The reality is that hard infrastructure has its place, but there are very few things that we can create that can replicate what a natural system can do.
We have a mangrove nursery at Makote, so we germinate our seeds there, and what we do, we actually restore places that need assistance in our mangrove forest.
We need to think about women and girls as active users and active contributors to conservation. Between men and women, the way that we interact with the environment, the way we rely on the environment is not the same. Engaging everybody in an adaptation effort that really builds resilience, we need to think about what those differences are. What we're looking at in a project like this, how do we bring people and nature together so that both can support each other in resilience?